The condenser unit is the big box outside your house that's part of your air conditioning system, and it's super important for keeping your home cool when it's blazing hot. So, here's the thing about that outside unit. It's where the heat from inside your house gets pushed out, kind of like a giant heat dump. You want to make sure it's clean and free of leaves or grass because dirt can block airflow and make your AC work way harder than it should. Also, check the fins on the condenser. They're those thin metal blades. And if they're bent, you can straighten them with a fin comb or even a butter knife if you're gentle. Keep the area around the condenser clear, like at least 2 feet all around, so air can move freely. Another tip is to schedule regular maintenance with a pro to keep refrigerant levels in check and catch any leaks early. If your AC is blowing warm air, the condenser unit might be struggling or blocked, so don't ignore those signs. Oh, and when it's super hot outside, try not to run other heat-producing appliances nearby, since that makes the condenser work overtime. Remember, a healthy condenser unit means your energy bills won't skyrocket and your house stays comfy. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their condenser unit is letting it get clogged with debris, which chokes airflow and forces the whole system to use more energy. Fix this by cleaning the unit regularly and trimming plants nearby. Another common problem is ignoring bent fins. When these get damaged, the heat exchange slows down, but you can fix this by carefully straightening them yourself or calling a pro. The third issue is skipping routine maintenance. Without checking refrigerant levels and electrical parts, the condenser can fail unexpectedly. So book yearly tune-ups to avoid costly breakdowns and keep everything running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners easily find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about AC units and home repairs. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with new clients and grow their business without the hassle of endless searching.